So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you like how you can increase your internet speed. So first what you need to do, you need to open up your Microsoft Store. So when your store opens up, you need to download an application. So the application is probably known as the Wi-Fi analyzer. You can type it in the search bar. Okay, and once you get that application, so in my case it's been already installed, so I don't need to install it. So here goes the Wi-Fi analyzer application. So you need to download this application and you need to open it. Okay, so as you can see that it's been already installed on my computer, so I'm just going to click on launch to open the application. And after that, if your computer is connected to your any network, okay, so it will pop up all the information that you have, and you need to go to the analyze section over here on the top left. So you need to go to the analyze, and over here this application will analyze that in which channel that your the signal is more powerful, or the signal strength is more is best. So it will analyze it, and as you can see currently, just give some time. Okay, so as you can see currently, the best recommended channel that has been showing is number 3. Okay, so at the bottom you can see number 3, and over here you can see that the channel that has been giving the best performance is the number 3. So what you need to do after this, you need to close it. You need to close this, and you need to go to your default router page. Okay, so how you can get that, let me show you. For every network it work, whether it's from Comcast or Xfinity or any network that you have. So and on the search bar just type CMD. Okay, so how I get that, by pressing the Windows key and R at the same time, you will get this command box. This is the run box. So over here you need to type CMD. That is basically the command prompt that will pop up. All right, so if you type CMD, this will pop up. So over here you need to type ARP space minus A. So you need to type this, okay, and click enter. After this, you will see there are a list of IP address that is being listed over here. So from here we need to choose the first one. Okay, first one is always your default router page. Okay, so it's been said dynamic. Okay, so choose that one. Okay, which is dynamic. So in my case it's been the default gateway is 192.168.0.1. Okay, so I need to open a browser. Okay, and on the search bar I need to type that. Okay, so you can see that it's already, I've typed that 192.168.0.1. So I have the TP-Link router, and in your case most probably any router can be there, whether it can be Netgear or any other router devices. So this page will pop up where you have to give your username and the password. So in the most of the cases the username is admin and the password is also admin, and in some other cases the username is admin and the password is password. Okay, nothing else. So it's PASSWORD. So in that case, so I need to log in with this router login page, and after that I need to go to this wireless, and I have to go to this wireless. Okay, I need to go to this wireless section, and over here you can see this page will pop up. Okay, from here, in other case your the page can be different. So over here you have to select that channel. Okay, so in that case the channel was number 3, so we need to select channel 3 and we need to click on save. All right, So that's all the settings that we need actually. So after the settings, your obviously your the performance of your internet speed will boost up. Okay, and let me show you another thing. Okay, so uh, a lot of background application also runs on your computer, so you need to disable all those so that you can utilize all your internet speed in a better way. So all you needed to type settings, so settings will pop up over here, and from here you need to click on the privacy one, and after hitting the privacy you will see on the left there is a panel, so you just scroll it down till the bottom. You will see there is a background application section, so just hover there and you will see, and make sure all the background apps that you're having is been turned off. All right, so what it does actually on the background, all these applications which is maybe useful or maybe not, so it consumes the internet and it's generally decreases your system performance, so make sure it's been off so that you can utilize your internet speed to the maximum potential. So that's how you can increase your internet speed dramatically, and you can check your own results. So in that case, in my case was the channel 3, and probably in your case can be channel 1 to 11. So based on that, it can be of any channel. Okay, so if I go here, you can see that the channel I'm sorry, uh, till channel 13. Okay, so make sure from the Wi-Fi analyzer you choose which channel it comes to your recommendation, and then you switch it to that channel. Okay, I hope you have liked this video, and if this has been useful video to you, please like and subscribe this channel, and stay up to date always. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.